In this video, I will be showing you how to install Antigravity CLI on Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Antigravity download. We'll be having the official link. Click it. Here if you scroll down, at top we'll be having Antigravity 2.0. Just scroll down and here as you can see we are having Antigravity CLI, and this is the command for Mac as well as Linux. We can simply copy it and just open terminal and run this command. After running that command, we'll be getting to use the AGY CLI globally. We just need to add it in our shell profile. So just copy this command, Command C, and just paste it over here and hit enter. Now let's test it if it works. So I will just type AGY and hit enter. As you can see, it's asking us the sign in. We have two ways to log in. One is by using Google Auth and another one is using a Google Cloud project. In my case, I will just go with Google Auth. So just hit enter. It will redirect you to the browser where you can select the Google account that you are going to use to sign in. After that, it will give you some code like this. Just click on copy to clipboard and open the terminal. In the terminal, we just need to paste that copied code and hit enter. It says signing in. That's it, we are signed in now. Here we can select the theme. We'll be having a preview of that also. I'll just go with the dark one, and this one you can simply click on done, and this is going to be the default project folder. So I will just click yes I trust, and that's it. We'll be getting a prompt interface like this. Here it says question mark for shortcut, so I'll just type question mark, and we'll be getting all the shortcut keys and also all the commands. So we are having like these many commands to choose from, so you can just go through it. So if I click escape, it will just go back. So for example, I will just go with model. So here we are having these many models to choose from. By default, it's going to be in Gemini 3.5 Flash. Here you can type your prompts like creating a website, or if you want to give some reference to your existing projects also, you can do that. If you want to know more about Antigravity CLI, just in the same page, here we will be having resources and click on documentation. In documentation, just select Antigravity CLI overview. We'll be having so much of stuff. Apart from that, we are having getting started, we are having using AGY CLI and features and migration. So many stuff going on here. You can simply go through it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.